Hello everyone, welcome to another stream. We will be checking the charts today. I hope you had a great weekend. I'm gonna arrange my stuff in the back here. Okay. I hope the audio is good because the chart definitely looks like it. So I like what I'm seeing, to tell you the truth. So as the title of the stream says, this is a bullish divergence on the 4-hour Bitcoin stream. The bullish divergence is on the MACD histogram. So you can see here, we're losing negative momentum on the histogram of the MACD on the 4-hour, and we were making lower lows on the price in Bitcoin. So that's something that you want to see right now, especially because we were waiting for a higher low on the 4-hour time frame, because we basically did a lower low here, then we did a higher low here, because this high was higher than the previous swing high, which was this one. So we managed to potentially make a market structure break with this higher low. But the question was, I'm sorry, this was a higher high. Yeah. So higher high here. This high being higher than this previous swing high. And when higher low was the question, was the real question. And we can see that this could be the potential higher low that we were waiting for, having the bullish divergence on the histogram confluence. So I'm guessing we're going to close the daily green, which could be awesome. If we close like this in 1 hour and 39 minutes, it will be a bullish pin bar. And even better if we manage to engulf the previous daily candle and make it a bullish engulfing candle. It will start looking really good, especially right now that the sentiment across the timeline is really bad. We're still on a downsloping consolidation structure from here. Something like this maybe. And we're still below 65K, 64.9K, which is a critical level from the previous cycle all-time high around here. And we need to also flip 69K around here, which was the all-time high from the previous cycle. So we have had almost, I would say, a month and a half of negative momentum on the daily time frame MACD histogram, severe drought, and we're starting to maybe paint the first light red negative momentum. So it could mean that we're finally losing the negative momentum on the daily, start looking at some green momentum on the daily time frame. Start painting something like this, and then flip green. It would be really good. As I said on my previous streams, we don't expect anything. We just look at the charts. But if I had to expect something, I would be I would be bullish with caution. So that's what we're looking at right now in Bitcoin. If this higher low holds, then we can confirm the market structure break from this downtrend that began at 72K, 72.5K from April 8th. It will be good news. It doesn't mean that we'll see all-time high right away, but at least it will give a relief to Bitcoin and maybe some alts, because I saw Bitcoin dominance was running too. Again, I'm gonna clean this up. This is an important setup for me, at least, closing on the 2-month time frame tomorrow. And why do I say it's important? The first thing, it's because we're closing green. We could have closed in red, and I mean, we'll still have one more day to go, but it appears that we're gonna close on the green, hopefully, and we're closing above 61.3K, which was a big level from past cycle. We're closing above that level, and also on the Bollinger Bands we're making an uptrend right next to the upper band of the Bollinger Bands. So expect to have, if we have a breakout on the next candle, we're gonna clear the upper band and just shoot up straight to 80K plus, where I'll hope we'll see some distribution confirmation on Bitcoin dominance. What else? We're also closing the monthly tomorrow. It's not a bearish engulfing candle, which is good, and we could be finding support at the upper band. It's also good. Not too pessimistic. We're also closing above 61.3K, which also coincides with that 2-month kind of close from the previous cycle. And yeah, that will be the high time frame Bitcoin analysis. There's one chart that we have been discussing too, which is the Bitcoin against the SPX chart on daily. Nope. Being honest, I had to redrawn because it was drawn like that, something like that. We're about to lose the pattern. We're about to lose the bullish pennant, but could be a fake out if we close this bullish pin bar in an hour and a half. So we'll see tomorrow. We'll stream it tomorrow again. Okay, I want to look at USDT dominance. It's also green on daily. It's weird. It's probably because total could be red. But we're leaving a lot of wicks to the upside, and we're in this big monthly resistance. It's more clear on the weekly maybe, but if we manage to stay below this resistance, I think we're gonna fall down to the 3.77% level again. We do have a bullish divergence playing out on the MACD histogram here, from this low to the other low, but I'm expecting underperformance since we're in a bull market and since we have Tether printing billions a lot of the times. So that would be USDT dominance. I'm expecting, since Bitcoin could play out its 4-hour bullish divergence, I'm expecting this one to drop and start confirming this level of resistance once again, with a lot of wicks to the upside, which could mean absorption of demand. On the monthly, we will have a bullish engulfing candle and start losing negative momentum on the oscillator, but it could resume back again and start printing another negative momentum bars if we fall back below to the mid-range level of this channel. It's just a matter of time. Still really expanded on the volume bands. So yeah. If you ask me, this chart looks awful. It looks bearish. Having like a multi-year parabola bull trend. Basically breaking like that, and it's just probably gonna chop from here. Okay, we're gonna look at the DXY. The weekly looks kind of topish, hopefully. No edge on the oscillators, no divergence, just confluence so far. Hopefully we make this higher low and we don't rival this high, because it can mean reaccumulation and just keep moving to the upside, and that would be really bad for risk assets. But for now, we're just gonna play level by level, and this week so far looks good. Yeah, could be a deck hanging man here. Previous candle getting filled. We actually didn't even leave, like no wick on this candle. Huh? That's usually not good. But it could be possible. It's not. It's just one candle, so you gotta look at the greater picture. On the monthly, it will be the 4th green candle in a row, beginning on this engulfing in January. So no edge here whatsoever, or yeah, you could say you have a you could say you have an edge on the monthly here. I mean a bullish divergence, having a lower low on the price and a lower high and a higher low on the oscillator. So that's potentially not good. We're gonna have to be checking it month by month by hopefully just negative momentum candles or bars reappear and we just continue downwards. Total 3. Let's look at totals. Okay, total 3 is basically your altcoin index. Just look quite similar to the Bitcoin candle, not being able to bearishly engulf. It's obviously way lower. It's not at all-time highs. Green momentum candles is on the MACD histogram still printing. What about others, which is every altcoin except the top 10 and excluding stable coins? This one looks a little bit nastier, being closer to the engulf, but being really absorbed as well. So we're gonna have to wait and see. This one losing positive momentum on the oscillator. Oh, the weekly, yeah, weekly bearishly engulf the bullish pin bar that we created on April 15, so we could see further downside on this index, unless Bitcoin starts ripping, which I'm guessing is going to start slowly creeping up, and then when Bitcoin reaches 80, 90, 100K, and we start our alt season, then this is going to move 100%. It's just not going to happen yet, I guess. People are going to have to be patient with their alts. ETH BTC trying to paint a bottom. Bullish divergence on the MACD. So who knows? Could play out. Just starting to play out maybe. Losing negative momentum still. The MACD, previous candle, this candle as well. But it could very well just start regaining negative momentum and don't have this bullish divergence on the MACD. If brand new red big bars reappear and it's not going to be confirmed, we need to get the seller exhaustion confirmed by starting to flip green, and then we can start for the divergence to play out. What else? With really ugly bearish hammer on the previous weekly candle, starting to move today. It's nice to see a green because most of the alts are just red today, even with Bitcoin pumping 1%. Say has been moving awesome. It's just really confirming this deviation, maybe going back above the range. Maybe it'll start moving again. ENA, maybe painting a bottom here. TIA, just slacking dimension as well. Pepe flipping green, it's good. Bullish. Pepe flipping green and a bullish pin bar. That's what you want to see. Solana trying to flip green. Okay. That will be the stream for today. If I don't have any more questions, I didn't have anyone asking stuff today, so just gonna wrap it up and wait for the stream tomorrow, which should be a big one with the monthly candle closing, and we'll revisit on how that 4-hour bullish divergence on Bitcoin is playing out. Hopefully it's playing out good. And that will be it for me. Remember, this is Pitbull's TA channel. Subscribe, give a thumbs up, give me a comment on what you will want to see, and tune into daily live streams every day at 6 p.m. Okay? Bye. Thank you.